இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கு. உலகில் உள்ள பொறுப்புடைய தலைவர் எல்லாம் உயிரறிவை உள்ளுணர்வாய் பெறுதல் வேண்டும். உலகனைத்து நாடுகளின் எல்லை காக்க ஓருலக கூட்டாட்சி வலுவாய் வேண்டும். உலகில் போர் பகை மச்சமின்றி மக்கள் உலகில் போர் பகை அச்சமின்றி மக்கள் உழைத்துண்டு வழங்கார்த்து வாழ வேண்டும். வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். Really, I am very happy to stand in front of you to participate in our sports day program. All of them are standing very quietly because we are waiting for the receiving of awards. If you clap your hands when you are receiving your friend, the clapping is the best exercise for you to relieve from the 72 diseases. Please clap your hands very loudly. நல்லா விசில் அடிக்கிறீங்க, நல்லா இருக்கு. விசில் அடிக்கிறது நல்லா இருக்கு. But you have to clap your hands because you are learning the music. Why do you learn the all the things means? That is a physical exercise for clapping our hands. First of all, I thank for our principal, Mr. Dr. M. Joseph, who is working very hard for this betterment of the institution. Please clap your hands for his great service. Then administrative officer, that is administrative sister, ஞாபகம் மேடம், நல்லா கிளாப் பண்ணுங்க, நல்லா ஜாலியா இருங்க. நம்ம ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் மேன், ஐ எம் ஆல்சோ ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் மேன். ஐ எம் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பிளேயர் இந்த கபடி as well as வாலிபால். இதெல்லாம் பாக்குறப்ப எனக்கு பழையனோட ஒரு இது மாதிரி நம்ம ஜாலியா இருக்கிறோமே, இப்ப பாத்தியா இருக்கோம் அப்படின்ட்டு. கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? நல்லா கிளாப் பண்ணுங்க. The clap your hands for the administrator and Dr. Swaminathan, who is assistant professor, called me to come and participate in the program. Really, I am very happy for the Swaminathan as well as the father, who has given the wonderful prayer for us. So, my dear sir, and other sisters, administrative officer, physical director, my lovable and enjoyable children of the student of the M. Joseph Engineering College. I share only for the few minutes with you, not for a long time, because you are going to receive the prizes for you. So my thing for you, you are the youngsters, you are the young mind. The young mind is having the capacity to build our nation in a great building. The Aringer Anna says that we are the building like a stone, but you are like a அதாவது தமிழ்ல சொன்னோம்னா, நாங்கள் எல்லாம் கட்டிய கட்டிடங்கள், நீங்கள் எல்லாம் வெளியில் கொட்டி கிடக்கும் செங்கல். நாளைக்கு நீங்க என்ன ஆக போறீங்கிறது யாருக்குமே தெரியாது. அந்த வேலை நாளைக்கு நீங்க எல்லாம் ஒரு பெரிய you are coming as a great scholar, you are coming as a great sportsman, you are coming as a chief minister of Tamil Nadu or prime minister of Tamil Nadu in a perfect way. Clap your hands for you to come as a great person of the society. I want to emphasize two things for you in this occasion. Why you are coming to the college? This is a question. Why you are coming to the school? That is the question. You have to develop the first skill when you come to the school or colleges. First one is the health care. How many of you take the health care? Raise your hands for me. How many of you doing the exercise in the morning? How many of you doing the yoga in the morning? How many of you doing the walking in the morning? Raise your hand. This is the first point. It is developing the human resources. First of all, we do the exercise. When you are sitting and taking the food in the ground floor, you don't keep your hands on the floor. Simply you are sitting and stand without pulling your hand. That is called a good health for you. How many of you sitting like that and stand? Suppose I am sitting like this. I want to stand like this. How many of you sit and stand? Come on. That is called good health. What is that? Good health. Second one is human resources. The second one is good food, health, good food. You have to take the good food. How many of you taking our healthy food? Suppose you are taking morning, only for the tea, coffee. Another one is packet pal. These are all the things you are eating. Most of the children, I can see, I can go into a hotel, you are eating only for kutu parota, burger, chicken. Chicken is very ali chicken is very. It won't give any breeding at all. You must remember it. My dear children, one of days in this advertisement, நாம் இருவர் நமக்கு மூவர், நாம் இருவர் நமக்கு இருவர், நாம் இருவர் நமக்கு ஒருவர். அப்புறம் நாமே குழந்தை நமக்கே குழந்தை. இப்ப குழந்தையே இல்ல. I may ask it nearly 10%. We are taking the 100%. Nearly 90% of women, they don't have the capacity to produce the young one. Because this type of food system, I am telling to you, the Brota is making lot of problem for you, Maida. It is making the unfertility. That means it will spoil your health. You should avoid it. Dear children, second point. Third point, experience. For example, this is a sports. It is giving a lot of experience for you. How to win the things. Then you are doing the practical. Start together. அப்ப சார் சொன்னாங்க ஒரு பையன் வந்து ஸ்டேட் அவர் பேர் போயில இந்தியா சிலம்பத்துல நல்லா வந்திருக்காங்க கை தூக்குங்க நல்லா கிளாப் பண்ணுங்க கிளாப் ஹேண்ட் ஃபார் தி நேஷனல் பிளேயர் கேம் இன் திஸ் காலேஜ் நல்ல வீரர்களா இருக்கும் நல்ல ஒரு காலத்துல பாத்தீங்கன்னா திருநெல்வேலியில ஒரு இடம் இருக்கு அந்த திருநெல்வேலியில ஒரு பெரிய கல் இருக்கும் 2000 வருஷத்துக்கு முந்தி அதை போய் தூக்கி வச்சா அவனுக்கு பொண்ணு கொடுத்தாங்க அப்புறம் 1500 வருஷத்துக்கு முந்தி அதை ஊட்டுனா பொண்ணு கொடுத்தாங்க அடுத்தது 1000 வருடத்துக்கு முந்தி அதை நகத்தினா பொண்ணு கொடுத்தாங்க இப்ப பொட்டு வச்சு மாலை போட்டு விழுந்து கும்பிட்டா பொண்ணு கொடுக்குறாங்க எந்த அளவுக்கு நம்ம ஹெல்த் இருக்கு பார் we have to develop the health system that's why we make the sports and games sports will develop your individual character athletics it is developing your individual capacity but the games are developing the game it will be giving the teamwork for you how much you are developing the teamwork that's why I am telling you second one is food system is must for you third one is education is nothing but we have to develop your knowledge in a proper way it is called education you can tell it so many definition for us what is the meaning of education is nothing but we have to uproot the unwanted character and cultivate the good character it is called education for example you take the sisters they are coming in the city here they don't have any personal benefit for them they are dedicated their life only for you clap your hand for them such a dedication is there I am a family man but father and sisters are dedicated their life for the betterment of the society that is called one of the education for us so education is nothing but we have to learn good habit and good skill fourth one is experience any for example you are going to the job what they are asking you how many years you have the experience suppose you might have completed PA MSc computer science or anything anywhere you go immediately they are asking how many years experience how is it possible to get the experience for example one school is conducting classes up to 10th standard the boys are sitting there but the boy will be getting the 250 mark they won't allow in the school is it correct உங்க குழந்தை வந்து உன் வீட்டுல மார்க் எடுக்கிறாங்க அந்த பிள்ளைய படக்கூடாதா நான் சொல்றேன் education is nothing but you may give the two children in my hand I will make them intelligent or idiot that is the duty of teacher so the teacher don't reject any children they have to develop in the proper way so the four things you must remember in this occasion one is good health second one is diet system third one is education fourth one is experience these are all the four pillars of your life that's why you are coming to the college here you are learning the education as well as the experience another two is there one is the health another one is the food system you have to maintain in your home itself then only it will be making you in a healthy way so my dear children I am telling to you morning you get up as soon as you get up first of all you do the taking the 1 liter of water then you go for the toilet then you will come and do the yogasana or ground exercise two type of exercise there aerobic exercise and the anaerobic exercise aerobic exercise means whatever in our body excess of energy we have to liberate it outside it is called aerobic exercise anaerobic exercise means that exercise will help you to store the energy in your body for example running jumping then another doing the ground exercise these are all called aerobic exercise that is important thing for sports that's why we are giving the more respect for the sports sport is nothing but sir madam is said everybody winner of this game clap your hand எல்லாரும் ஜெயித்தவர்கள் தான் இதுல யாரும் தோல்வியாளர்கள் கிடையாது உங்க உடம்ப நல்லா வச்சிருக்கிறதுக்கு தான் இந்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் வந்தது அதனால நீங்க நல்லா பண்ணுங்க அடுத்ததாக எஜுகேஷனுக்கு ஒண்ணே எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றேன் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் அவர் கிரேட்டஸ்ட் Abraham Lincoln says one word I remember it I will cut the tree for 8 hours I need you give if you give 8 hours to cut the tree, I will take 6 hours for sharpening my knife. That is the main point for you. Develop your knowledge. Knowledge may be developed, you will be very great scholar. Otherwise, somewhat difficult to come as a grade. For example, the sharpening of the knife or that ash won't be good. You may do it anything, somewhat difficult to take the 16 hours. But you may sharpening the knife or any instrument, immediately within 1 hour, we can cut the tree and come. Dear children, I want to say, dear student, my dear lovable children, I am telling to you, you sharpening your mind. That is called seventh sense. Seventh sense we have to develop. That is called creativity. For example, in America, most of the 60% of our students are working in all the places. You go and work there. So my best wishes for all, you will come as a great personality of the society. The fourth pillar of human, that is your good health. Another one is good food system. Third one is education. Fourth one is experience. These four pillars will keep your life very happily. I am delivering you not only for that is speaking on the stage. I can see lot of children. The girls I am telling to you. My child nearly that is called Pratibha, who was working in the State Bank officer. I told her when she was doing the yogasana.